So let's just get onto the video. The link, if you wanted to go check it out, link will be in the comments as always. And yeah. So link will be in the description. Let's open the flipping file first of all. Baldi has a shotgun. Let's open the file. Let it decompress. Not long. Actually, it might take a bit of. Okay, it's completely. I'm a complete model up. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh. Why did Baldi? Okay, why did Baldi just? Why did Baldi just shoot his shotgun? Okay, I have so much questions. Let's just see if there's a. Lol. I was gonna say if there's a story, but just says lol. Let's just start, I guess. Okay, first of all, my sensitivity is bad. So, let me just change that. Let's just change that. Let's see now. Okay, now that's a bit too much. Okay, let's just play the game instead of you guys wanting me. Oh, and by the way, if you wanted me to play the normal Baldi, just say that in the comments and I'll play it. Simple. Okay, I'm a kid. Okay, so I have to count on my fingers. So 3 minus 6, isn't it? Is that minus 3? Ah, yeah, easy. 8. Yeah, easy. Okay. Is he gonna give me a check? Okay. Oh wait, I can. Well, I could just escape. Yo, I can go outside. This is sick. I think it glitched though. Okay, let's just get the. Wait. Oh, I thought Baldi was there. Let's just get a new book. That's normal. I just answered that flipping question. Is it the same? Is it the same one? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay, I have to count this one on my fingers. Wait, let me count my fingers. 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 6. It's minus 6. Yeah, of course. 0. Okay, let me get this right. Damn, he's. Okay, shotgun plus shotgun plus shotgun plus shotgun, I think. 21. Okay. Next time let's try 6-9. No. No. Oh no, he has red eyes. No. Let's not play. Go! Oh, wait, what the hell? Alright. Go, 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 go. Is he behind me? Oh no. I won't be. I won't have time. How do I look back? Oh. Quickly. Wait. Do I use E? I think I'm gonna sacrifice. Come on. Is he coming from that way? Come on. Yes, I see him. No. I'm there. Moments before disaster. Moments before disaster. Oh, I have. We will be right back. Kill me. Okay. Okay. Let's just. I'm a speedrun this now. I don't care. I'm speedrunning this. He ain't talking. He ain't talking in it. I'm a speedrunner. Ching chong, ching chong. Easy, 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 easy. Sweet. Okay, it's gonna be easy. Get the flipping. Oh, I think I know how to do it now. Oh my god, bro. It's just 9 minus 7. I don't know. Okay. 3. I'm so dumb. I'm so proud of myself. Oh shit. Why does that keep on showing off, by the way? Bro, I know I'm there. Bro, what the hell? Bro, escape. I won't have time. He's behind me. Oh no. My scrotums. Let's go. Let's just go. I don't care. I'ma go. Okay. How do I? Oh, okay. I gotta select it. Bro, I hate it. 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 Come on. How do I lock the door? 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 Alright. My first time playing. It's my first time playing Baldi. Okay. 6 plus 9. 6 9. 6 9. Okay, wait, let me stop. Let me stop. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15. Yes, I know I'm doing fantastica. Let's go. Let's go, my boys. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this shit, bro. Let's do this shit, bro. Let's do this shit, bro. I don't care, bro. Let's do this shit, bro. 8 minus 6, 2. Tell me if I'm wrong. 8 plus 6. It is 14. Oh, okay. Minus 6, 9. Oh. I thought it was minus 6, 9. Come on, Baldi. Come on, Baldi. You can handle with 6, 9, do you? I know. Are you serious? I'm not running in the holes, you bit. Man, shut the fuck up, bitch. You have flies all over your. You have flies all over your shirt, bro. You need to get cleaned up. Go, 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 flip and go. No! Oh my god, bro, I'm there! Ah! Please no. I'll give you all my Robux. Okay, you don't want all my Robux, do you? You don't want my Robux, do you? By the way, if I don't beat this game, don't be mad. Allow. Don't be mad. Because I didn't even get, like, I didn't even get 3 notebooks. Like, bro. 1 minus 5. It's minus 4, is it? Thank you. Thank you. Ah, look, my little pet. Look at my little pet. I'm joking, bro. I'm gonna say that when flipping. Let's see. 5, is it? 5, is it? 5, is it? 8 plus 4. Okay. 8. 1, 2. That's 12, isn't it? That's 12, isn't it? That's 25, isn't it? 25, isn't it? Okay. I'm gonna stop. Spade. I show spade. Oh my god. Oh shit. Go get it, isn't it? No, ma. Alright. Oh my god, you bear. I needed that anyway. No, I don't want my parents to hear about it. I don't want. Okay, he's getting closer. Gotta go. I don't want to hear about it. Oh, B sodas. I need the B sodas. I got a strategy, and I wanna ruin it. How do I? Okay. What do I use? Oh no, I don't know how to use my items. How do I use it? LOP. It's all. Control. Get your ass out of there. Okay. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. Peace. Peace out. I'm sacrificing my life for this. Why did I waste my bee soda? Oh, I don't want to waste my bee soda. Okay, my last one. Come on. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my last one. If I don't even get three notebooks, okay, no, I'm ending this flipping video. -1, isn't it? -1, isn't it? It's not -1. -5, isn't it? That's what I thought. Simple math. Simple math. Alright, 3 minus 1 minus 1. Thank you. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus that is 15. So it's supposed to be 50. Okay, wait. 15. 6, 9. Aw, I thought it was 6, 9. Oh, let's try 42 because I'm a fan of the frustrated gamer, and then he tried 42. It worked. Huh. 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 Get me! Alright. End of video. I quit, bro. I quit. This is way too hard, bro.